Maybe I should have actually titled this video "Should I" instead of "I did," because technically I haven't, even though I put like, you know, a reserve request in, I still technically haven't gone in and ordered one. But anyways, good morning everyone. Let's just get straight into the topic of the video. This is going to be a pretty short video because it's not really that much to discuss with this topic. So unless you live under a rock, they just officially released the new C8 Corvette last night. Essentially, they did like a whole thing on it and everything. Here's a photo of it if you haven't seen it, but again, I'm sure you have unless you live under a rock. Beautiful, beautiful car. Now, it is exactly what I've been looking for. It's mid-engine. It has a dual clutch automatic, which I actually want this time. I don't want to deal with a manual transmission. It's lighter weight. Like, I know it's not super, super lightweight, but Corvettes are lighter than Mustangs, obviously. And we're actually keeping it American, not doing something that's foreign, which is going to be good for the channel because that's what you guys like. You like a lot of the American brands. And you know, from a price point standpoint, the fact that they said it's going to start under 60, I'd probably get a Z51 package. I want you guys to let me know what you think on that, what package I should get on the new C8. But it's reasonably priced. Like all the other cars I've been looking at are over 6 figures, whereas this one's going to be under 6 figures, and it's going to have a lot of the stuff that I want anyways, so why not? That all being said, obviously I haven't officially put in the order. I've got to talk to the guys over at Chevy to basically put down a deposit, I assume, and then put in the order, but I've put in a request for it, so I'm sure they'll contact me soon. I did put it over to the dealer that I film at, so I'm sure they're going to get back to me pretty quick, and if not, when I film there next week, I'll just go in and talk to them about it. Pretty straightforward and simple on that side of things, and I know that they're going to take care of me because I filmed for them, and yeah. You'd think so, right? Now, in terms of other specs on it, I'm thinking I'm going to do black because I want it to match color-wise another vehicle that I have with some sort of modification. That's why I'm going to do black, because I feel like black would go better because this one's silver, and when you look through the cracks, it's something you kind of see, and so black would blend in a lot better with a certain, I won't say it, but a certain color. But what I really want to hear is what you guys have to think on all of this, so please leave that in the comment section below. What spec do you think I should go for? All they've released so far is like a standard and then the Z51 package, so kind of let me know what do you think on that aspect of things. And then what color should I get? Obviously I'm thinking black to match that, but if you guys think I should do something else, let me know on that. Some of the colors that they had at the show looked pretty awesome, but I mean, that's going to sum things up for the video. And again, I really appreciate all of the support that you guys have done so far, so if you are shopping for the first time, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe, comment down below what you thought overall, and I will see all of you in that next video, which probably is going to be another one later today. That's why I released my review so early today, is because yeah, it's going to be a 3-video day probably. No guarantee, just saying probably.